Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account on Reddit. First, go to reddit.com, then click on this login button and click on sign up right here. Now you can use your phone number, Google account or Apple account. For instance, I will use my email, so quickly type in your email and then simply press continue. Now, to your email there will be sent a verification code, so go to your email. And once you are in your email, you should see verification code like this. So just select it, copy it, Command C or Control C if you are on Windows, and Command V or Control V if you are on Windows, and press continue. Now, pick your username. So I will quickly type in the username that I want to use, and then simply type in your password. As you can see, the username can only contain letters, numbers, and dashes. So I will pick and do a dash. And now I will type in my password real quick. And once you are done, just press continue. And your account should be created just as you do this. Click on what you are, and then you can select your interests, places to travel, Q&As and stories, pop culture, games, so whatever you like, just fill this form. Then simply press continue. And now Reddit will personalize your experience and you can click on reject optional cookies, and you have successfully created your Reddit account. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.